This will be setup of the VAVA Cam Pro and the base station for it, utilizing the handy included pamphlet. So step one is to connect the base station to the power supply and the Ethernet cable. The Ethernet cable that they provided is actually very generous in length as a Cat 6 cable. So we're just going to come around here and we are going to locate the LAN port. We'll put that right in there. And then the power supply, again, utilizing the included power cable, which is a little short based on where my Wi-Fi router is. So we're just going to have to push this over here and plug it in. And hopefully you can see that there is an orange light on the back now. And step two, it says to turn on your camera. It's actually a power button right there. So we're going to press on that and try and make sure one more time. Oh, there we go. There was a blue status light. So it does recommend charging this for the next step. However, since I have power, what I'm going to do is I've already downloaded the app. And next step is to add device. So first things first, we are going to add a base station. And then it's going to give us the directions that we kind of just did, which was connect the base station. So we're going to scan the QR code under the base station, or we can press the sync and reset button to pair it. So in my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the base station. And here it's telling me make sure it's powered on. It wants to use my video recording, so we're going to say only this time so that it can activate my camera. And I'm just going to kind of do this around the side here and hold that off to the side and select next. So it had the possibility of naming my base station. I didn't want to. Now it's telling me to pair the base station. So pressing and holding the sync and reset button under the base station simultaneously until the LED. Okay, so we're gonna do that and hit next. Oh, so okay, apparently I cannot hit next until I actively do that.
Timed out.
Oh, and that was the camera telling me that the pairing had timed out. So we're going to do the back of the base station and hold the 2. There we go. I was looking for that light based on the visualization there. So it is blinking. We are going to hit next. And congratulations, it's paired to the app. So we're going to hit OK. And we're going to plop that down for the time being. So we've got our base station assigned. So next we're going to say add a camera. And all right, turn on the camera, plug in the power adapter. Okay, so, and hit the sync button. So hopefully we can just come around here again and turn it on until we see that blue indicator light. There's our blue indicator light, which is going to signify our pairing. All right, press the sync button to pair with the base station, wait for pairing. We're gonna try adding now. To connect the camera, press power button to the camera turns on. Okay, so we're gonna hit next. It's within short distance. Press and hold the sync button under the camera until the LED flashes, and we will see if that pairs.
Camera successfully synced with base station.
All right, and there's a name. We're just gonna call it outdoor and hit next. So there we go. We've got our outdoor camera. Oh, there is a firmware. Motion detected. All right, so we're gonna update this now. And so obviously when you do this, there'll probably be a firmware as well. It is definitely telling me that it's detecting motion because I'm right in front of it, but figure, actually looking at my record time, about 6 minutes to fully set this up, minus having to download the app and set up a account. And that's also with trying to record and film and adjust light. So you'll be able to set this up. You'll be able to set this up in under 10 minutes and then probably an additional minute for the firmware, but I won't make you sit through that. So that is the setup process of the VAVA Cam Pro.